Advantages of trading options. Leverage. The leverage allows you to control large positions with relatively little money. Each contract represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Imagine an Apple share is now $180. You might buy a 3-month $180 call option for $700 in total. That is a considerably lower cost than buying 100 shares of the Apple stock itself for $18,000. Higher potential returns. Options can deliver very high returns and do so over a very short period of time, using the power of leverage to turn a relatively small sum of money into many times its value. More strategic alternatives. Options offer more investment alternatives. The trades can be combined to create a strategic position with the help of a call and put option of different expiries and strike prices. Minimum time required. Options trading does not need you to stay on your computer the whole day. This is perfect for someone busy with family, other side jobs, or even in retirement. Hedging. Options were really invented for hedging purposes. Hedging with options is meant to reduce risk at a reasonable cost. Differences between trading stocks and options. Meaning: stocks, ownership share in a company. Options, the contract that gives you the right to buy or sell shares for a set price. Benefits from stocks. Stocks, voting rights, dividends. Options, greater potential returns. Time holding. Stocks, long-term, years and decades. Options, short-term from days to months. Risk. Stocks, low risk. Options, more risky because of the contract timeframe. Initial capital. Stocks, high requirement. Options, low requirement. Complexity. Stocks, low complexity, well suited for beginners. Options, high complexity, better for sophisticated traders. How much capital do you need to trade options? The saying, "it takes money to make money," is true when it comes to trading options. You need good initial capital to begin with for you to make sustainable results. If you want to make $1,000 a month, you will need to have an initial capital minimum of $5,000. How much can you earn in a month? If you trade higher risk strategies, you have a chance to earn a sum of 10+% per month. If you are more conservative, you may earn 5% per month. But a very important question is, how much cash do you have for trading? If you have $10,000 and earn 10% every month, that's a grand total of $1,000 per month. If you start with a $100,000 account, even if you start your trading on a conservative mode and earn 5%, you can still get $5,000 each month. And this is already a good part of your income, right? Top tricks of consistent options trading. Many of these tricks are the same to those you have seen in my previous video about trading stocks. Let me add here some more. Throw out your crystal ball and educate yourself. Hone your skills with practice and study. Understand risk. Different options strategies have different risk profiles. With options trading, it's important to be mindful of the sage words of Warren Buffett. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Do not trade on emotion. Emotional trading has several pitfalls, and doing so can result in significant capital loss. The successful trader controls fear and greed, the two human emotions that drive that sentiment. Accept that you will incur losses. If you are starting out, expect to incur some losses as you navigate the learning curve. Paper trade first with a small amount of money. Use demo trading first. This way, you learn how to enter orders, adjust trades, and learn from your mistakes without losing real money. Don't expect to become financially independent overnight. If you are able to break away from the notion of becoming an overnight multi-millionaire trader and take an objective stance on your strategies, you will be light years ahead of most aspiring traders.